we get into the Smart Food Cluster, which is a facility with a 240-acre extension dedicated to agricultural and whole food industrial park. With a touristic center, and a commercial area, with 60 acres in a total, the project have 300 acres. We pass for the entrance to the industrial park, where only the lightweight vehicles could come in. Also, we see a green area, and this is, like a prelude, to the hotel facilities, and parking of the shopping center. We observe the first of the two blocks that contain management services, such as medical facilities, fire station and gas station, as well as parking for staff. Approximately 2,500 workers, arranged both on the north and south edge. Industrial facilities and warehouses are arranged longitudinally with parking for loading and unloading, on the front and back, of the main facades. While the butts of the sheds are income for administrative activities. Circling this route clearly for heavy vehicles, we observe the block that contains the fruit sheds and the ripening process. Below are the facilities dedicated to horticultural activities, where cleaning is done, roughing, stacking and packing ready for sale. Now, we enter to the vegetable market that has a total area of 5.2 acres where various products are sold. Fresh, healthy and seasonal, offering ease of access to the consumer. At the same time, helping farmers, in the transition from subsistence agriculture to commercial agriculture. Next, there is a block for nurseries with 5.2 acres, and they are structurally divided into ships with 20-meter lights, where all kinds of plants will be growing, germinate and mature. Circulating along the same route, we turn around and we find sheds for storage of dry products. A block of sheds for input services of agricultural technology and hardware with industrial machinery. Next, we observe the quality control establishments, a training center that will provide technical education and specialized advice for workers, finally a research center and laboratory. Next, there are the sheds and wineries that could be dedicated to complementary industries such as the wine and beer industry, as well as their wineries and also the collection of dairy. Next to them, we have the craft beer sheds and imported products. We turn left, we find the area of fish activities and industrial cold for the conservation of marine products, with an extension of 61,500 feet. Later, is the fish market, one of the most extensive of the complex with 226,570 feet. By virtue of its geographical position, could be one of the activities of greatest economic promotion. Simultaneously on the left are warehouses dedicated to logistics such as cash and carry, central shopping, which have medium cargo parking lots for distribution and vehicles for buyers. Next, we have the chicken and turkey market and its own activities plus those of meat, and on the next block the meat market and industrial cold. On the other side is the convention center, with an area of 150,000 feet, has parking lots for 1,200 vehicles. It will be a state-of-the-art building, for exhibitions of productive issues related to the market. Additional tourist and shopping center. There are complementary recreational facilities such as cinema and bowling. Now, we enter the boulevard, and see the facilities aimed at retail markets, such as fruits and vegetables, plus other types of supplies, such as preserves and snacks. Between the two markets, there is a food market that has a capacity of 900 people, distributed on 2 levels, and allowing people working in the industrial park to eat there every day, without needing other facilities for feeding staff in the industrial area. That is, companies would have that facility with their staff. At the same time, the market will cater to tourists and enjoy many food options internationally. Let's see, again, the boulevard, which connects the shopping area, the hotel, the convention center and the shopping center. Let's look at El Mall, where you will find outlets for food and other complementary services. In the center of the shopping area is the 4-star hotel, consisting of 2 towers, the 2 first floors, shared and specialized in service, business, entertainment and leisure. 1 tower, exclusive for tourists and the other for people who visit the resort for business reasons. Both have vertical gardens on their main facades, which reinforce the relationship with nature in the project. The business tower is directly related to the convention center, while the tourist tower is directly related to the shopping center, through a high-altitude connection. The industrial park has capacity for 2,500 car parking lots for daily staff, 1,500 parking lots for heavy-duty trucks, and 1,200 for light load.